Is your 9 to 5 job making you miserable? Here is how to escape the grind. If you have ever thought of going to work, if the thought of going to work fills you with dread, it's not just in your head. Your 9 to 5 job could be the source of your unhappiness. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the path to a more fulfilling life through work at home jobs. If this text is something you're interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the end. I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money from the comfort of your home. So let's get right into it. The first one on my list here is Instacart. Have you heard of Instacart? Guys, Instacart is a grocery or delivery pickup service. After you combine all of these avenues, all of the strategies I'll be sharing with you in today's video, guys, you'll be surprised at how much money you can make just by working for yourself. Guys, when you sign up on Instacart, your initial sign up offer will be about $10 off. Guys, your initial sign up offer is quite substantial, and it's something you really want to look at. It's something you really want to look at. And guys, they also have a referral program. Yes, their referral program lets you get some amount off of your own personal order and gives the other person some sign-up bonus as well. So guys, to get the best bang for your buck, I also recommend that you sign up from a GPT website like Swagbox or Inbox Dollars. Yes, they'll give you the same coupon, an additional cashback plus an additional bonus. Yes, for your first earning in your first month. Guys, just make sure that you sign up for the customer offer, not just the one that you get to pay to shop others. Yes, you get paid rather to shop others. Guys, the next one on my list right now is called Zenai Optical. Yes, Zenai Optical. Yes, you can actually start to make money as a referral. Yes, as a referral. You also get free glasses. Yes. So guys, they have a lot of referral options that you can take advantage of. So make sure that you go check them out today. In fact, they have even done a lot of payouts as at today's date, as at the time I'm filming today's video. Now guys, the next one on my list here is, hey guys, I'm going to share with you certain ways to make money that you always say money is everywhere, you just need to know where to look. There are some ways to make money that is staring at you right in the eyes, right in the face, but you just don't know about it. So guys, have you heard of printable or mailed coupons? Guys, most companies will have coupons periodically on their website that you can actually print out. But yes, I will include the companies that I've always known. Yes, and I always have their coupons available. So guys, have you heard of coupons.com? Yes, go there and check it out. Have you also heard of Quotient Coupon? In fact, this is the new coupons.com website, because coupons.com was sold to Global Savings Group, and at this time both of them appear to have the same coupons. But yes, you know what, go check them out. Now guys, have you heard of Sampler? They come with samples and coupons for your products. Now, do you know Single Brand or Family of Snacks? There are lots of them. They also send their coupon booklets in the mail on request. Go check out my previous videos and see how you can transform your receipts, how you can transform it into cash. Yes, how you can convert it into cash. Go check it out, guys, in case you have not, because a lot of companies will send you coupons if you email them and you ask about it. Be sure to also tell them what you love about their products. Yeah, and yes, you can actually get the coupons, buy these products, and in a lot of cases you can resell them at a higher price. Guys, there is a lot of ways to actually make money. In fact, I was telling you in one of my previous videos, that I have a friend who actually put together money that is raised from coupons to fly herself to Paris. Yes, she traveled to Paris and her ticket was fully paid for. Yeah, she used coupons to pay for the tickets. Business class, I tell you. So guys, there's nothing. I always say money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. Are you tired of the 9 to 5 grind? Guys, there's a lot of ways to actually make money from the comfort of your home. But then, do you realize that you can actually rent out one of your rooms in your house? If you have a spare room, you can rent it out, yes, as like Airbnb, and you can also rent out your garage. I'm telling you, people are renting out their garage space every month. These things there are money lying fallow right behind you, right before you, if only you're willing to convert it into money by yourself. Now guys, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I'm sorry I didn't mention this in the beginning of today's video. Guys, today I finally launched our Telegram channel. So all you need to do is this. I'll be giving away $100 cash gift. Yes, you heard me, cash gifts. It's not a gift card, cash. I'm going to be sending you cash anywhere in the world. So all you need to do is this: go ahead and click on the link, copy my link, the link to my Instagram, the link to my Telegram group in the comments. Copy the link and send it to your friends. Yeah, share it with your friends and your family members, your village members, your church groups, your mosque groups. So guys, share my Telegram link to your friends, your church members, your mosque members, your cracker members. And you know what? Then you come back to today's video and let me know how many people you were able to send, how many people you were able to invite into my group. I'm not talking about people that you just invite, the people that have successfully joined the Telegram group. Because if you come here and you inflate the figures, you're gonna be automatically disqualified. So please make sure that they are already a part of my Telegram community before you come back to this video and tell me how many people you have added into my Telegram community. Because I'm gonna verify. Once I verify and I find out that it is a wrong figure, you're gonna be disqualified. Except if you underestimate the number of people that you added into my Telegram community. That's fine, and I can consider you. But as long as you have increased the numbers and it doesn't correspond with the number of people that you've added into my Telegram group, then I'm gonna disqualify you guys. I'm sorry, but that's just the way it is. So yes, if you're new to this channel, by all means, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know your meet, where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are just amazing. Thank you for your incredible love and massive support to your girl. I see you, you see me, I see you guys, and I appreciate every single one of you. God bless you. And yes, to all of my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. Thank you for all that you do. I see you, and I really appreciate you guys from the depth of my heart. God bless you real good. So yes, that is it for today. If you have any question for me, let me know in the comments. I will be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. If you have not checked out my previous videos, please by all means do that right now. Go check out my previous videos and begin to apply for all of these opportunities that I'm constantly sharing with you guys. And if you have any question, let me know as well. So guys, that is it for today. If anyone is doubting how far you can go, please go so far that you can't even hear them anymore. Do not forget, I'm going to be doing a random selection of people who share my Telegram link with their groups. Let me know in the comments, and I will definitely transfer the money to your bank account from anywhere in the world. That's a promise from me to you. Thank you all so much for watching all the way till the very end. I'm your God, Mariam. In case you have not turned on the notification bell, please go ahead and do that, and don't forget to also introduce yourselves in the comments. I really like to know you, and I want to know who sends my video to you. What do you do for a living? Where do you live? What part of the world are you watching from? And yes, that is it, guys. Thank you all so much once again. I'll see you in my next video. God bless you. Bye for now.